this one or the almond one, right?
I haven't really decided.
This far north of London City has ever seen or used such a company. Just call Scotland Yard. Grandiose delusions again. And ask for Inspector Lestrade. He will confirm my identity. Nonsense. The matron murmurs. Nonsense. Sherlock will instantly recognise, and Eudora even worse, being my mother's middle name. Not that I cared if it was somewhere. Never did that, I told myself sternly.
tree or an amazing fruit bush, a cherry bush, a blueberry bush, something like that. Bushes, fruit bushes are pretty easy to take cuttings of and get started. You can do the same thing with grapevines. And if you have something that is amazing, you can take a clone of it by taking a cutting, and you can ship it to people who would like to also have amazing fruit in their backyard. Of course, if what you have is diseased or prohibited in an area, you have to kind of pay attention. If you have something that's invasive in other areas, you don't want to be sending them something without their knowledge. If you know, you need to tell them it's invasive. For example, that would be my autumn olive. Even though it was very difficult to get it started here, in other parts of the country where it is warmer in the winter and where there's more moisture, in the growing season, autumn olives spread very quickly. Here they're not prohibited because they don't spread. But in other parts of the country, it would be illegal for me to sell autumn olive to people. So make sure to stay aware of that. Okay guys, I gotta show you the coolest thing. I opened up my little make new plants bucket, and I thought this was mold. I don't know if you can see those little hair-like things. I thought that this one was growing mold, but the humidity is so high in this chamber, it's putting on roots along the branch. And everything else, including the Nanking cherries that I took, that you guys watched me take, are putting on leaves. So it's working. That blows me away. That's good humidity. And down there, that little white bit right there, that's a visible root in the dirt itself. Those are so cool. Okay, I'm so sold on this. So hopefully that was enjoyable. Things that I am selling are autumn olive, Nanking cherry, Concord grape, what's the other one? Saskatoon, which is a serviceberry, which is like an alkaline soil loving blueberry, Siberian pea shrub, comfrey, if we can get it dug up, and I think that's it for now. We have other things growing, but they're not ready to take cuttings from yet. The ones we have that will be ready for next year will be gumi. Oh, and we have sea buckthorn, seaberry. We have several varieties of seaberry that are ready to start being clipped and sent to people. So hopefully this was helpful, and we'll talk to you later.